Hi, and welcome to Marchborns. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and use your yearly calendar planner. This planner is available in both Excel and Google Sheets. In this tutorial, I am using Google Sheets, but Excel template works the same. It's available in both light and dark mode. It is designed to keep you organized all year long. In the next few minutes, I will guide you through its features. You'll learn how to set it up, how to use it, and how to get the most out of it. Let's begin with the README and Setup tab. Here, you'll find a quick start guide with simple instructions. Start by entering the year. You can choose any year, such as 2025, 2026, or beyond. Next, select the starting month from the drop-down. You can plan from January to December, April to March, or begin with any month you prefer. The template will automatically adjust all remaining months based on your selection. This means the planner can be reused year after year, making it truly lifetime-friendly. Finally, choose your calendar start day, either Sunday or Monday. Once that's set, your 12-month planner, also known as Year at a Glance Annual Planner, is ready to use. Now let's move on to the Annual Planner tab. This is the main part of your calendar. It displays 12 mini calendars, one for each month of the year. This gives you a full year-at-a-glance view. Under each date, you'll see space for tasks, reminders, or notes. When you add an important event, the date is highlighted in the mini calendar. This way, deadlines and key dates stand out immediately. The design is clean and minimalist. It helps you focus on your priorities without distractions. Let me add some examples to show you how to use this planner. For work, track meetings, deadlines, and project milestones. For example, mark a client call on the 12th and a report deadline on the 25th. For personal life, plan workouts, self-care routines, and household chores. You might mark basket laundry on Saturdays or person in lotus position yoga on Mondays. For kids and family, add school projects, exams, and activities. Maybe your child has a science fair on the 10th. So let me add science fair on February 10th here. It says highlight that date in mini calendar here. For friends and social life, keep track of birthdays, dinners, and trips. Mark Anna's birthdays on March 15th and fork and knife dinner date on March 20th. This planner works for all parts of your life in one single place. The planner is flexible. You can use it digitally in Excel or Google Sheets. Or, if you prefer, you can also print the planner. Let me show you how. To print either a filled or blank planner, start by selecting the months you want, let's say the first 6 months. Highlight that area, then press Ctrl+P or click the print icon. This will open the print settings. From here, choose Print Selection. Set the orientation to landscape and under Scale, select Fit to Page. Now your planner is perfectly ready to print. Wondering how to use this planner for another year? It's simple. Go to the File menu and select Make a Copy. This will create a duplicate of your planner. You can rename it, for example, 2026 Year Planner. And just like that, you're ready for the new year. That's your complete walkthrough of the yearly calendar planner. I hope this tutorial makes it easy for you to set up and customize your spreadsheet. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. And don't forget to follow Marchborns on Etsy and YouTube for sneak peeks at new templates and updates. Thank you, and happy planning!